Uh, the title of our project is called Too Many People. Also, I do.
All right, so as you know, we're in the middle of coronavirus, and nowadays, if you want to do shopping, your first priority is your safety. And usually, you would want to go to places with less people because less people means less risk of catching the disease.
So where should you shop? Well, if you want to go shopping somewhere that doesn't have very many people, then you're gonna have to like visit every store. So let's say I want to go to Costco, but then oh no, driving to Costco already costed like 30 minutes, and then I realized there's too many people. Then I need to drive to Safeway, and then there's too many people there, and then yeah, that's bad. So okay.
So the current state of the art is Google Maps. And if you click on any place in Google Maps, it will have a person counter. But if you want to find the person counter over a large range of areas, you would actually have to click into every single area and look at them separately. But what our plan is to sort the people counter so we can uh, make filters and track how popular each place is.
So our idea is to have an app do it for you instead. We use Google Maps data about how busy places are, and we can also have other add-ons that we plan to implement. So an example are the filters. Whether we can filter whether they have certain products like cheese, egg, vegetables. We can get data from companies. We can know where are the cheapest products. Probably we can also get that from companies or maybe users of the app as well. We can also tell when will the store be the least popular, so you know whether you should wait 15 more minutes to see if the store gets less crowded. And another idea is to decide whether they have sufficient parking. And yeah, uh, we can have indicators by color to see how risky it is to go to the store. We can extend it to other services like maybe after schools. I don't know. And then we can also tell when the store would be the least popular. Oh wait, I already said that. Okay. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you, Alex and Alex. So yeah, so let's see if if the advisor is available. Yunge and Ian, can you just give some supporting explanation about their project or anything? Maybe they have a lot of ideas that they may not express out during the short presentation.
Okay, I was the advisor of this project. I think they provide a good idea that can improve the existing apps like Google app or Yelp, or maybe good idea to implement their own app can differentiate from Google Map apps, Google navigation apps. They can provide more field to let users sort, not only the price, reviews, and flavors, but provide more field and dimension and do some automatic works for users that will bring more value to user, and even go further can do some AI work to learn what the user like, then can proactively provide the suggestion for user. And also the idea also mentioned can not only how to say to suggest one field, but and can summers many factor. Like for example, like according to users' start position and planning time to anticipate the traffic situation and how much the parking lot availability to all summarize all this info, then give the user a valuable suggestion. That, yeah, that's all from me.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, definitely. I feel when this app works, it will help a lot of people in Silicon Valley. And like everyone is busy, and the shopping places are even like dining places are crowded. Yeah. So yeah, thanks. So let's open the time to the judges.
Hi. Yeah, I have some question regarding the potential business impact of this project. Because as you have mentioned, that due to this COVID situation, actually many people are either shopping online or do curbside pickup, which are not really affected by the business in these shops. So what kind of like impact were you targeting?
We're targeting people that actually go physically shopping. Because yeah, online shopping, they're still gonna need to deliver it to you.
Yeah,
and
right.
It might be insecure. Amazon says they're delivering it by drone. Then what's stopping somebody from like shooting the drone down? And if they're delivering by package, what's stopping someone from just stealing the package?
Yeah, I see.
It can be insecure.
So, I think what you mentioned makes sense. It would be good to have some sort of analysis first, like over in the Bay, for example, in the Bay Area, do some survey, like how many people actually shopping online, how many do curbside pickup, how many actually physically go to the store. So that can, in case you want to try to get some investment into a project, that will be definitely useful.
Mm-hmm.
Also, one thing to keep in mind is that not everybody can afford the extra charge for delivery or curbside pickup, and some people would still have to physically go to stores if they want to get things at a reasonable price.
So I have a question. So the more people use your app, then basically the more people will go to the time when there's less people shown like in the app, right? Then actually it will be more crowded at that time. So have you considered this case, and how would you do with that case?
Probably Google Maps can predict. So if too many people, yeah. Maybe we can create a system that spreads them out. I don't know.
That will require some scheduling kicking, right?
True, yeah.
Yes,
well,
it would be good.
They're not gonna all use it at the same time unless they're planning to like trick us. So yeah. Once one person is scheduled, we can just increase the counter, and then then we'll schedule to the next best time and spread it out like that.
Yeah, taking that into consideration would help your app.
True.
Yeah, thanks.
What's the use case after COVID and after like pandemic isn't necessarily
well, yeah, you'll still know how busy places are. So yeah, you don't have to wait in line for 2 hours at a restaurant.
Also,
so it might not have effect on stores anymore after COVID. But then if there's some other disease that comes its way, then yeah.
Also, we would still have our other filters, such as the traffic around the area, and also what products and the cost of the products they have. And also, you might still want to know how popular a place is if you just don't like crowded areas or you're antisocial. So, yeah.
Sounds good.
I had a question about the data. Does Google publicly release like the traffic and people counter data, or are you just kind of approximating by the bar chart?
I'm not sure if Google can just release that. So yeah.
they do release it, but it does cost a lot of money because it's usually geared towards companies purchasing that data. But
I'm not sure if
what
we can use a bot to
we
access
are
Google.
thinking of doing,
And how do you
yeah,
know?
because we want to make an add-on or an app.
Yeah.
How would you know that the Google Maps data is accurate though?
Well, Google Maps has this data. They present it, so we're gonna assume it's accurate. Because yeah, if Google is tricking us all, then that's not good.
Do you have potential
Google
alternatives?
Maps.
Yeah, we might use multiple sources. That's another way.
Yeah, what are other sources potentially?
I don't know. Maybe I forgot. Yeah, there's something that also presents traffic data and stuff. So we might be able to use traffic around the area or something.
Okay.